A warm welcome to the Toon Club presentation, your gateway to the Web 3.0 universe. In the next 15 to 20 minutes, I will explain the benefits you can gain from Toon Club and how you can earn money actively and passively. First, let's discuss the phase we are in. We are currently in a pre-sale phase. What is a pre-sale? In the crypto world, a pre-sale is the phase where a new token or coin is sold before its official launch. In this phase, early investors, such as yourself, can join in. There is the opportunity to purchase the token at a reduced price before it is publicly traded. The official launch will take place in about 2 weeks. The benefits of a pre-sale are clearly the lower entry price due to a discount. We also offer bonus tokens on top. There's a 30% bonus right now. Then we move to the second phase. Then there will only be 20%, then 10%, and then the launch. This means potential for higher returns. If you purchase early at a lower cost, you can expect greater returns. And there's exclusivity and limited availability. Not everyone can participate in this pre-sale. What is Toon Club? An ecosystem that allows you to save costs in the blockchain world, earn actively and passively, and provides users with a share in other companies. I'll explain that now. As I said, Toon Club is an ecosystem. Here are 10 different use cases. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. First, I'll start with the tap to earn game that Toon Club has already launched. It's a Telegram game focused on generating new reach. We already have 800,000 users on board, with about 100,000 being daily active users, who simply click on this cat here and collect points. These points also serve as airdrops. Airdrops are tokens, and tokens mean money. The entry barrier is quite low. This means anyone can participate in this tap-to-earn game for free, click, generate points, and earn money in return. Alternatively, they can fulfill specific tasks in this task area. In return, they earn more points. Other companies reach out to our community and say, hey, we want to be listed with you. Complete these tasks and we'll pay you. This money is used to buy back the token on the exchange and burn it, forming a buyback and burn mechanism. This tap-to-earn game on Telegram rewards users for simple actions like tapping, enhancing engagement and community growth. It increases the project's visibility and builds trust, as users can benefit directly in a playful way. The positive aspect of tap-to-earn games is that when you have a certain user base, like we do now, you can exchange it with others. You can exchange normally. This means we can go and say, hey, you have 1 million users, let's just swap. We'll take your 1 million and we'll give you our 800,000. And this will happen in the future as we expect to grow to 2 to 3 million users soon. And then the project will gain even more visibility and recognition. The second use case is the core of the ecosystem, which is our staking, a decentralized staking. The contract is being audited by QuantStamp and is currently undergoing the audit, which will be completed in the coming days. Then we will have an audited token on CoinMarketCap, so everyone can be sure that what's on it is accurate. The following process: you take your euros or dollars, trade for Solana, move to Phantom Wallet and buy Toon. Right now, you can purchase in the pre-sale through a link. Later you can buy Toon directly, then you can choose to lock them away. I often refer to it as a vault or safe. Then you'll get a lifetime reward of 0.5%. For 360 days, you get 180% APY. If you had $1,000 in Toon, assuming the price stays the same. By putting that into staking, you would still have 80% more because you ultimately have more tokens. If the token increases tenfold, 1,000 will become 18,000 in a year. As I just mentioned, the whole thing is audited. Let me quickly explain the staking and burning mechanism to you on the tablet, so you understand what it means. In other words, if you come and you stake your tokens in what is known as the vault, just assume 1 million pieces. It's just an example. Then these will be deducted from the overall sum calculated down. This means that at Toon there can be a total of 137 billions of tokens are being generated. And when we put our tokens into staking, this amount will be deducted here. That means minus a total of 1 million. The total supply gets smaller. This means we will have 136 billion, 990 million, not 137 billion. If something is always getting less and the demand remains constant or increases, what ultimately happens to the price? Exactly. The price then rises because there is always less of something available. That's the burning mechanism. Staking in crypto secures the network by locking coins and rewards users with passive income in return. This is our centerpiece and lets you generate passive income in Toon tokens effortlessly. Next, we have the Toon lottery. Everyone who participates in staking pays a fee of 10%. Every time someone stakes, 2% of the 10% goes into a specific pool. This pool is distributed weekly to 5 winners. There can always be 5 winners, similar to a real lottery which is drawn twice a week. Here there will be multiple winners once a week. And $1 in Toon is also a lottery ticket. The more you stake, the greater your chances of winning in the lottery here. A crypto lottery gives you the chance to win cryptocurrencies and promotes community engagement, while interest in a project or token increases, then Toon drops. When you stake, there are other companies that reward you for it. Thus, crypto airdrops are free token distributions where projects send tokens to current or potential users, often to encourage engagement, reward users, or promote a new project. I can now share with you a really exciting message to share. We now have our first 3 partners who will, right at launch, when the token goes live, airdrops will be dropped directly into our wallets. Then we have ToonPay. I get asked a lot, yes, that's great, but how do I withdraw my money? And we have established a way for everyone to swap their Toons back with just 2 or 3 clicks, and then you can cash them out to a card. We have now created a digital option based on a Telegram bot. This means you have the chance to convert your Toons, which you earn daily as winnings, into Justity, and then transfer it straight to this Telegram bot. And in just a few seconds, you can spend your money anywhere, where you can use a MasterCard or Visa card. It's a normal MasterCard or Visa card that takes care of everything for us. The unique aspect here is that if you want to do it digitally, there's a limit of over 300,000 a month without KYC. If you eventually want to get a physical card, you would have to complete KYC. But more information will come in the future. Next is Toonpad. We have an in-house launchpad that is also getting started. But it gives investors access to new projects at low costs and potentially offers great returns while helping projects gather funds and improve visibility. Many companies out there are currently searching for communities so that they become more well known, and we have already built a certain community base, and we will launch other projects on our launchpad, and each of you will simply have the opportunity to invest in these projects at the best possible price with perks, discounts and bonuses. While we are in this phase, the pre-sale phase, there will be other projects in the future that will present themselves to us, that want to launch with us, and after careful consideration, we will onboard these projects, and each of you will have the opportunity to invest in these early stage projects to maximize your profits. This is our in-house launchpad called ToonPad. Next is ToonSwap. Yes, we have our own swapping tool. Perhaps some of you know PancakeSwap. We have crafted something similar ourselves called ToonSwap, where you can trade coins on the Solana chain, and if you stake, you will have a 50% reduction in fees thanks to staking. A blockchain swap is exchanging one cryptocurrency for another, often directly between users, without needing a central exchange. You don't need to send your coins to a central exchange. You can manage it all in the app in a matter of seconds. Then there's ToonBridge. A blockchain bridge is a link that allows for the transfer of assets or data between different blockchain networks, ensuring interoperability between them, meaning you can also swap coins across blockchains. Theoretically, if you say, I want to change Solana to Bitcoin, you would have to transfer Solana to a centralized exchange like Binance or KuCoin and then exchange and trade the coins there. And we want to guarantee that you can perform everything in a decentralized way with just a few clicks. No third party is necessary, and yes, you have finished your exchange. Then we have ToonBets, a fascinating utility, an exciting opportunity in our ecosystem for port betting and casino activities. You can also play poker, blackjack, sports, everything that's out there, slot machines, etc. You can do it all in our internal casino soon, and if you have stakes, you get a 50% fee reduction. A Web 3.0 casino is an online casino based on blockchain technology that allows users to play with cryptocurrencies, ensuring transparency, fairness, and often decentralized, trustless transactions are provided. As the last use case, we present the Toon Sniper. For everyone who stakes, as you can see, all these use cases are linked to staking. Only when you set up stakes do the possibilities in the ecosystem become available to easily execute all other things. That means if you have stakes, you receive access to a meme token sniper bot that has a unique capability. You can just come here and ask, please copy successful wallets, which means once set up, we will also conduct very thorough research to ensure you always have good wallets to copy that you can then copy. That means you have a Telegram bot, you load it with Solana, and then you get a wallet. You say, please follow this wallet, and then your sniper bot does exactly these things that creates the successful wallet, allowing you to lean back and see your account grow. A sniping bot for meme tokens is utilized to buy newly launched tokens right when they become available, often before others can, aiming to profit from quick price surges. It is proven to be the fastest bot on the market, and we look forward to having you here and being able to test it out. Thank you for your attention. Here are our social media channels. On Instagram, Tonzol, on Telegram, узнаете and Zol, Toon Club, so you can find us on the website under Toon Club. We also have online sessions, which means Mondays, Wednesdays and Sundays. Then we host live webinars at 8 p.m. German time. And there you also have a chance to win $200 in Toon tokens simply by participating in a game of chance. And we draw 3 winners each time who will take part in this webinar. On Tuesday and Thursday we host mindset and sales calls. To participate in the pre-sale, I suggest you reach out to the person who sent you this video, and they will explain the entire process to you, and we will see each other. Bye bye.